2, 1, go.
This is the Blindfolded BMX Bike Build Championship.
Oh my God.
A 4-part series where myself and 3 of my best friends, Dustin, Sponge, and Cody, go head to head to see who can build a BMX bike the fastest, only blindfolded.
There we go.
Oh no!
Did you guys not? You guys.
It's in the water?
Stay tuned as we crown a champion.
Call that done.
Counts. Holy crap.
Hey everybody, we're here in my studio with my buddy Cody, Sponge back here, Dustin over there, and Sponge had a fun idea last weekend that we should do a blindfolded bike build challenge. Timed, Cody's got the timer going, we got all the tools laid out, everything is ready to go. And we're gonna all 4 build a bike blindfolded and see who can do it the fastest. And Sponge is first because he showed up last, and Cody counted down.
3, 2, 1, go.
What's your strategy?
Forks first. See.
He's already lost. Did you look close at everything on there?
Oh, he just.
Do you know what's what?
No.
Perfect. 30 seconds in.
This is definitely the most interesting part.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Alright, we didn't talk about that.
I think we need those parts.
Yeah, we have.
Oh,
I'll find it.
That's part.
he'll find it.
You got it?
Yeah, Cody's gonna set him on the table. Right? Well, or
Oh, thanks. Oh,
I didn't think this was gonna be as funny as it actually is. How you gonna hold that fork on there?
Oh, shit.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for the race that goes in there. I can't tell if it's in my hand or not.
Oh my gosh. You nervous?
Oh, yeah,
You're
dude.
shaking.
I am.
Well, I was worried about that the most, so that's good.
Well, there's multiple pieces and parts.
How far do we go?
Oh, wait.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad at all. I don't know why this is so funny.
Doesn't help I worked out too, so.
Oh, your muscles are weak.
Yeah.
My goodness, that is great.
I should have looked at the stem. I don't know which way the top bolt goes on, or the top load.
We can't laugh either because then he knows something's up. Well, don't think he's
5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5 minutes? Yeah, Cody said this is only gonna take him 5 minutes.
No, I said it. Has it literally been 5 minutes already?
No.
4.
Oh my gosh.
I think you're doing pretty good for 4 minutes.
You're blindfolded.
Yeah, not bad.
Let me just check that out.
Look how tough that frame is.
Yeah. So shout out to Fit. This is a Fit complete bike.
Oh, you gotta put grease on that.
Just covered in grease. About the end of this.
Oh god. Slammed.
Slammed. This is actually gonna be the hardest part.
I don't think you strip things out when you have too small of one. Like
That's
way
exactly
too
how
small.
I-
Not way too small. It'll just rotate
Assuming
it.
it's way too small based on context. Yep.
We're helping way too much here.
Yeah.
Make sure that gap's right.
Oh, she's gonna be flush.
That's not good.
Hey, it's just gotta be rideable. Doesn't have
Yeah,
to be
you just
right.
have to do a hot bar before
Yeah,
you
hot
take
bar
your
spin.
blindfold off.
Gonna take out one of your fancy lights.
Feels good.
Perfect.
Good.
I like the confidence, man. It's good.
I do too. So is this how hard you thought it was going to be?
What's that?
Is this as hard as you thought it was going to be to do?
Easier than using my eyeballs.
Yeah, you do hate putting a bike together, don't you?
Yep.
He smack himself in the chin. I'm trying so hard to not give help through any kind of laughing or saying anything.
Oh, I thought this would be easier.
Do you want to take the hub guard off?
It fits in there, right?
Yeah.
But I do think the fork has to get spread a little bit for the hub guard to fit.
Does
So
it really?
I think that might be fair.
Oh, I heard it.
That's fair.
We can do a 20-second deduction for that.
That's fair.
So if you put it on, you get 20 seconds taken off your time?
No, like we're taking 20 seconds off your time since it was
Since
on
you
there.
had to deal with that.
We're not gonna have it on there when we do it.
Thanks, guys. Really fair group.
Figured we'd help you out. You what?
Forgot I had to put cranks on. I was like, yeah, I'm making a good time.
Yeah, just watch you. Just staring right at the edge of the bar. We'll see what he get hurt.
That's how you know nobody's cheating.
Yeah.
They take themselves out. Wait. Come on, baby.
Looks good.
How about whoever loses? Damn it.
Oh god, no. It's okay. We can leave the hub guard off. We don't need it. Just drop it. It's fine.
Give me a
Can we
hot,
help him with
give me
it?
a hot or cold.
You're getting warmer. Yeah, you're getting warmer. Warmer?
You're burning
Oh,
up.
yeah. Back in.
I was hoping he'd put his hand in the water. Like you're real cool.
What is this?
No, the loser should have to drink something that's made out of nothing but condiments out of Brant's fridge.
Ooh, God. That's motivation.
Oh, you're good. You're good.
I appreciate that.
What?
Thanks for not stripping out, cross-threading the pedals. Good
I'm
job.
trying. I'm
You're
trying.
doing good.
I know. As soon as something falls, it just hits you in like your chest. Like, damn it.
Oh gosh.
Didn't go far.
He's making conversation. How you gonna line up the cranks?
So-
Exactly how he normally does.
He didn't think about that part, did he? How's it feel?
Straight as an arrow.
God. Now, how finished do we have to say this bike is?
You gotta ride it.
I gotta ride it?
Yeah. Like you gotta be able to pedal.
Oh, you gotta be able to ride it?
Yeah. I would say I think a bunny hop's fair.
You're gonna have to help with the bunny hop.
That
I'm not really
sounds-
sure what's.
Like a really great way to mess up the bike. He made it past grade 9.
Oh no.
Wait, what was happening? Do that again.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh, that's a major setback.
Oh no. Do you recognize what was going on there?
Well, for a second, I was like, it's right-hand drive. Why is it doing? Did we put a different wheel in there? You should brought your cargo shorts.
Shut up. Lose it.
You okay?
That was my toe.
No.
Hot or cold, me, Cody?
You were really warm. Cold, freezing. Warmer. Okay.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Dude, I'm nervous.
Yeah, I don't know why. I should have looked at the release on this thing. Do I turn it?
I mean, you don't have to. We can make him take it off of there.
Oh, I'm taking it off.
Oh, okay.
Slam the seat.
Yeah, you made it so you can't take it off.
Taking it off.
Then you gotta lift the seat up.
You're clear.
Yeah. I don't know if that's impressive or not.
We're gonna find out. Whoever goes next, find out that.
Me, man.
We're about to find out how impressive it is.
Clear?
Yeah,
You're clear.
a little bit.
Oh, hot brake flip!
I'm calling that done.
What do you think you got?
21, 22. That's solid.
I was gonna say.
22-12.
That went pretty good.
Yeah, that one.
Not
Feel
too
good
bad.
about that?
Yeah, I feel real good about that.
I mean, the bike looks
It
really
looks
good.
good.
Let's evaluate.
Chain's tight. Literally tighter than I can even get it. Look at that.
Evaluate.
When
So
you were
chain's
putting
tight.
it back-
Where's the bars at?
Look at that compared to the front.
Oh, yeah.
Lined up.
Did you look at your cranks yet?
No.
You got the cranks perfect.
Yeah. Well, look at the forks and the bars.
The seat's crooked. The seat's crooked.
Seat's a little crooked.
All right, so 21-12.
22-12.
22-12
22,
is the first time. I give you an A+.
I'm gonna go.
Thanks.
Yeah, that was.
We're gonna reset, and then it's your turn, Dustin.
Yeah.
Oh boy, here we go.
How do you even know where you're gonna set shit and then grab it?
Well,
Almost ran right into that.
warmer, hot.
Was that still on the? Did you guys not? Was that still on the other? Or no, because I dropped it. You guys. Was it just really?
Yeah.
Put the hub guard on that side.
Oh.
Oh God, no. Oh boy.